Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a goldfish. Let's start off by drawing a big oval with one end open like a balloon that was just popped. From the top end, extend that line and curve up and to the right. Round back to the left and down. Add a small bump here and dip back to the left and out like so. From the bottom, mirror the same shape below. Next, draw the top fin with a line that curves up and to the right. Then rounds back with a bunch of little bumps on the way down. For the bottom fin, draw a line going down and to the right, rounding back up with more small bumps along the way. Then, copy the same shape, but at a slightly different angle like so. To add some more detail, draw a long vertical curved line across the body. Then, add some curved lines along the fin for some texture. Some on the top fin, a few on the bottom fins, and also some on the tail fins. Next, draw the scales with some short vertical curves along the body like so. Lastly, draw 2 dots on the head for the eyes, and a line here for the mouth. And now you've got a goldfish!